Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, welcome again for our biology lesson, and today we are continuing with the structure and function of the xylem tissue. So today we are going to look at the second group of cells that form the xylem tissue, and that is tracheids. So tracheids, just like the xylem vessels, they are hollow inside to allow passage of water and mineral salts, but their cross walls are not completely disintegrated. They are not completely hollow inside like the xylem vessels, a situation that makes them less efficient in conducting water as compared to the xylem vessels. They are also lignified, just like the xylem vessels. They are made of dead cells, but they have tapering ends. They have tapering ends, as we shall see. Now, so their characteristics, or you can say their adaptations. One is that they are hollow, but have perforated cross walls, which makes them less efficient. In transportation of water and mineral salts. They are lignified, to prevent collapsing. Are made of dead cells. Excuse me. Made of dead cells to prevent water absorption. And also have tapering or chisel-shaped ends. So the tracheids look like that. They have tapering ends, or they are pointed at the ends, unlike the xylem vessels. The tapering ends have bordered pits of lignin, deposition of lignin in pits, and then at the center they have a hollow lumen. But this hollow lumen, as we have mentioned here, is that it has perforated cross walls. It has some cross walls, as you can be able to see, and that is what makes them less efficient when it comes to transporting of water and mineral salts. So we're going to have an assignment on this, and the first question we'll ask ourselves why are tracheids considered less efficient in conducting water and mineral salts? So the first question, why are tracheids considered less efficient in conducting water and mineral salts? Number 2, why are the cells of tracheids dead? Or what is the significance of the cells being dead? So those are the 2 groups of cells that form the xylem tissue. We saw earlier the xylem vessels, and now we have seen the tracheids. And we can be able to compare them in terms of the adaptations for their function. But both form part of the xylem vessels. So we'll stop there for today. See you next time.